If your install takes 2 hours and 10 to 15 fittings, you're wasting time, creating leak points, and leaving money on the table. So today we're at Apex, one of our wholesale partners, and we're going to be breaking down 3 different products. Press for water, carbon steel, which can be used for gas or water. And then finally, we'll be talking about one of our Webstone products, the Webstone ISO kit. Everything there that you see is included. And we're going to spend some time today to talk about the features and benefits, where it makes sense, how it can save you time, and make you more money on each job. Let's get into it. Most guys think NIBCO press is just faster. The real advantage is consistency. So NIBCO press fittings, they're domestically made, manufactured in Virginia. That is where we pour the metals. We have 1/2 inch all the way up to 4 inch. Temperature ranges can operate between -20 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. The biggest reason plumbers switch to press isn't actually speed, it's fewer callbacks. The real win is eliminating those variables. No flame, no overheating, no weak joints. And when you're working in tight spaces, you're not dealing with a fire risk. If you're using NIBCO carbon steel press for gas, this is where you can't afford to guess. Now stepping into NIBCO carbon steel press, this is built for real commercial applications. You're still working in that -20 to 250 temperature range. But what really matters is the certifications. The system is certified through CSA and NIBCO. But more importantly, it meets major job site codes, such as the following: NFPA 54, National Fuel and Gas Code; 58, which is the LP gas code; 30 and 30A, flammable and combustible liquid systems; oil burning equipment, which is 31; ASME B 31, which is pressure piping systems, which means gas, fuel, and commercial piping. You're not hoping it just passes inspection, you already know it's going to. This NIBCO ISO kit replaces what most guys build with 10 to 15 fittings. Let's talk about this ISO kit. Normally on a water heating system, you're building everything out piece by piece. Shutoffs, unions, tees, drains, your adapters. You can easily get up to 10 to 15 parts. This kit replaces all that all in one assembly. It installs in under 4 inches of space, and let me explain to you. So when we talk about the space savings, you can see right here, this is an ultra compact design, much smaller and more compact than some of the other manufacturers you'll see out there. And the other thing I'll draw attention to is the layout of the actual box itself. Everything's neat and organized. You have a spot for your hot, your cold, your PRV. And the other thing I like to tell people when I talk about the ISO kits is that NIBCO Webstone, our brand, is actually the first one that came out with isolation kits. We've been doing it longer than anybody. We have a established presence in the market, and it's a product we're very, very proud of. In traditional systems, you have many, many leak paths, and with the ultra compact NIBCO ISO kits, you eliminate 10 to 12 leak paths. This is also what makes your job easier. It allows for easy cleaning and flushing, which allows you to run a diagnostic testing by yourself. No second guy is needed. You can do this by yourself. That's real job site efficiency. It's also not all about just speed. It's built to last. You got a blowout-proof stem and a double O-ring stem seals. That is where your reliability comes from. So you don't have to sacrifice any quality. You're actually going to be improving your system. If you're still building installs the old way, you're likely working harder than you actually have to. If you haven't tried NIBCO's water press or carbon steel press fittings, our ISO kit, go to Apex, stop by one of the 13 stores in Texas, where they also ship their products nationwide. We hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.
Look at this thing, bro.